In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a pop-up to your Weebly website. This quick and easy process will help you enhance user engagement and maybe even capture some leads. So, let's dive right in. First things first, open up your web browser and head over to the official Weebly website. You can use any browser you prefer, like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Just type in the URL, hit enter, and let the page load. Once you're there, it's time to sign in. Locate and click on the Sign In button, which is usually found at the top right corner of the home page. Enter your credentials, and you'll be promptly taken to your Weebly dashboard. Now, with access to your dashboard, we want to focus on adding that pop-up. Look over on the left-hand side and find the Communications tab. You'll want to click on that, which will open up a new set of options. From there, go ahead and select Pop-ups. This area is where you'll be able to create, manage, and customize your pop-ups. You'll be presented with a variety of templates to choose from. Each template offers different styles and functions, so take a moment to browse through them. Find one that best fits the aesthetic and purpose of your website. Once you've made your choice, it's time to click Create. This will initiate the editing process, where you can begin to customize your pop-up to suit your needs. Moving on to customization, this is where the fun begins. You can tailor the pop-up to align with your brand's colors, add relevant text that delivers your message, and choose call-to-action buttons that are compelling and inviting. Make sure whatever text you use is clear and to the point. The options are plentiful, and you can really make your pop-up stand out. Before you wrap things up, it's crucial you don't forget to hit that Publish button. Once you do, your website will automatically republish, and the new pop-up will be live for your visitors to see. It's worth noting that any content changes you've made within the Weebly editor will also be published alongside your new pop-up. So, take a final look to make sure everything is as you want it. And that's it. You've successfully added a pop-up to your Weebly site, ready to engage and convert visitors with whatever message or offer you have in mind. Thanks for sticking with me through this process, and I hope you found this guide helpful. As always, feel free to drop any questions you might have, and happy Weebly building!